Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This is Eizy from RZ Easy Customizer. We build, we share, and yes, we're inspired. This week, I'm gonna share my new first completed project for 2021. Meet the high-grade 1/1 FOFO scale custom transformable build, the Glaive Unit 3 Clarion. It is inspired by a character called Clarion from Kokaku no Pandora anime series. If you guys ever watch the anime series, you will know this cat-made robot that can fight with her tiny blades. But for this custom build, it can transform into a helicopter. So not only just an ordinary mad robot inspiration. The helicopter is using transformer type of transformation where you need to take off some parts, fold it, rotate it, and etc, and put it back again to form a helicopter mode. But before I'm going to show the transformation, let's start with the size comparison with a high-grade Gunpla and Megami device. It is equipped with a man-long beam rifle. Both arms have shields with rocket launchers, two blades hiding in the side skirts, one long twin blades that can detachable, hyper beam on the backpack, and missile launchers also on the backpack. So this is how to transform Clarion in her helicopter. So enjoy the video. Overall, this project had more than 5 custom designs before the final one here. It is a kit bash using multiple parts from Bandai high-grade Gunpla and Kotobukiya joints. Obviously, you can see some parts from the Iron-Blooded Orphan series, the Build Fighter series, and from the UC series too. These are some simple poses of Clarion. You guys can check out more photos on my Facebook page. That's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also share my contents. You guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, Eizy Customizer. The links are in description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, a lot of stuff with plastic model kit. Thank you very much for watching this video here on Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So that's all for me today. Check out. Bye.